What's going on, you guys? It's feeling like Christmas, you guys. It's only a couple more days to go, and yeah, it's a lot of snow right now in Canada. But before I start today's vlog, you guys, I kind of want to show you the headlamps that I restored on my Corolla. They work fantastic, you guys, but I only did one. Luckily, I'm going to show you guys. It's pretty nice. Let me show you guys. Look at that, you guys. It's like super clear, and then this side's all murky, and this is the side that I didn't do. Obviously you guys notice, but what a huge difference, you guys. Look at that. But definitely go check out last week's vlog, you guys, that I did on restoring those headlamps. I'll put the link on the card on the top corner here. So obviously I'm pretty excited to show you guys what I had done on the GTR. But by the way, the fuel bracket is done for the fuel filter, and we'll get right into that right away here. But Santa's been good to me this year, guys. So super excited. It turned out just absolutely sick, you guys. What I did was I got these pipes redone because I just wasn't really happy with it. So all we did was basically, this was to get me by through the season last year, just so that I wasn't without a car, I guess, for the season, right? So that did it. It worked, right? But it wasn't, honestly, I wasn't really happy with the look. So I got some stuff done. I'll show you guys right now. Boom. That's right, you guys. I got the intakes down here and the upper intercooler piping done in titanium. Super happy with the way it turned out. I decided to go with all the pie cuts. I've seen other GTRs done in titanium. You know, honestly, really happy with it. But titanium in its like straight pipe, I wasn't really, not my cup of tea. It was just that pie cut was just what I was looking for, and damn, it's sweet, you guys. And let me know what you guys think. Is it that nice, or is it just not your guys' cup of tea? Let me know in the description below, you guys. Or do you guys prefer the wrinkle black? Or we got this powder coated, but it wasn't really wrinkle black to match the AMS intake manifold. So yeah, but today's vlog, you guys, I'm gonna start doing the I guess piping for all the hoses for the injector dynamics fuel filter here. So I did run the line first on the inside, and it worked out quite well. So now, originally I was going to run it from here in a 180 all the way back, but I just figured that it was just a little too much hoses on the one side, so I'm going to reroute it to the other side, you guys. I think that's going to look better. So I'm going to do that now, and let's get started. Alright guys, so I just grabbed a whole bunch of AN fittings to do this job here. So we're going to start out with this one first. Is she really on there, right? Yeah. Here we go. So up next, you guys, I'm gonna kind of pre-run the hose. What do you guys think? I was thinking of going from here under the oil air separator, because there's a nice gap in here, down this way. I'm not too sure because of the temperature of the oil separator. Not too sure. I might just wrap with some heat wrap, just for safe measures. I don't know. Let me know if you guys know that it's unsafe to go there. In the comment below, you guys. But I'm gonna run all the way around to the back, and should be pretty much it. So quite honestly, I only have enough hose for one shot, you guys. So if we screw this up, we screw this up. So I decided I'm gonna put the one end first, hook it up, and then run the rest, and then cut it from there. I think that'll be better, you guys. All right, guys, that was pretty brutal, guys, but it's right there. It's connected to the fuel pressure sensor. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but it's a pretty tight fit, you guys. Right there, fuel pressure sensor, and it's right there, you guys. It's fucking tight. And yeah, that was pretty brutal, you guys. My arms are pretty beat, but almost there. It looks pretty easy, but it's a pretty tight fit, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna run the rest of the line here, from here over to there. So I decided to run the fuel line next to the AC line, under the upper intercooler piping, and through the catch can, and into the fuel filter. Not 100% sure if this is the correct way to do it, but we'll find out, I guess, you guys. So I got it on, so I'm going to connect it quickly here, and that should be it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much for this install. The bracket turned out super nice, you guys. Felix did a pretty fantastic job on it, so we decided to go with titanium just to finish off the look on everything else, you guys, and I think it's just spot on. And I can't really say much more about the pipings, you guys, here. Just super happy how it turned out. And yeah, look at that, you guys. She's coming along. So you guys are probably wondering why the car is like all apart again. I do like to clean my car over, like, I guess in the off season. Just driving it in Canada here, you get a lot of like gravel. I cleaned most of it out right now already, but I'm gonna give it a quick wash. I know it's kind of OCD of me to do this kind of stuff, but I'm just gonna clean it all off and have it nice and super clean again. And on top of that, I'm gonna clean all the ducts here, and of course the alpha intercooler. I'm gonna give that a nice quick clean, and we're gonna touch up the stencil just to make that nice and crisp. All right, so that's pretty simple. But quick note, you guys, for guys that are taking the bumpers off, a lot of guys cheat and, you know, go behind the fender liner. You're gonna break the clips. And there's one more clip that you guys probably don't realize is these clips here. Right, I'll zoom in for you. A lot of guys don't realize. Let me just zoom in, you guys. These two little tabs here is what holds this in. And if you yank on them too hard, they're gonna break off, and you don't even realize it. And if you guys are wondering why it's always like loose, it's because this tab is broken. So don't cheat and try to reach in there, and there's a technique to do it, you guys. So I've taken this bumper off so many times, you guys. It's realistically, there's like several clips for the fender liner and just a few bolts that hold the actual bumper on, and some clips, and it just comes right off so easy. If you guys are interested, let me know. I could do a tutorial on how to take this bumper off. It's so simple, you guys. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you GTR guys are interested in that or not. It could save you those clips. Those white tabs that I'll show you guys, those are roughly about $75 each. So let me know. All right, guys, so that's pretty much for the install this week. So what's up next is the Radium Engineering GTR fuel hangers. That's going to be up next. But the only thing I'm waiting for is some fuel socks. So to answer that question from a couple of vlogs ago, yes, you do need pre-fuel filters or fuel socks before the pumps. Unfortunately, yeah, they require some, so I'm just waiting for those to come in. Couple dollars, or I think they're like 20 bucks or something like that. So they're just waiting for that right now before we throw that in. Not really looking forward to that install, you guys, because it's dealing with fuel is just it's so stinky, you guys. So other than that, stay tuned. I would fire it up now, but I can't because I'm just waiting for a battery, you guys. That is still hopefully anytime now. You guys don't miss on that that vlog, you guys. But hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and Christmas is just around the corner, so hope you guys are enjoying that too. We'll see you guys next week. See ya.